Hey guys, welcome to the fourth episode of Observe with Rajat. Focus is the ability to pay attention to one thing at a time, which can be difficult sometimes. When we think we are multitasking, we are actually switching rapidly between tasks. Our concentration level drop each time we attempt to come back to a task. So when we multitask, our concentration levels deplete. A more effective way to get things done is by focusing on one thing at a time. Increasing our ability to focus can help us to handle complex tasks with ease. So taking out some time to meditate could help us to cultivate our focus. Meditation is a way that encourages us to focus on our sensations and thoughts in the present moment. It can significantly increase our ability to concentrate and focus. When we are meditating, the point is to focus on one thing and allow our thoughts to let go. An easy way to get started is to simply take out some time to understand our thoughts and emotions. So sitting comfortably, making sure that we are not distracted by anything, closing our eyes and just watching the thoughts come and go. Not trying to control our thoughts, rather just letting them go. When thoughts try to interrupt in our meditation, let them fade away and bring the focus back to acknowledging them. So just simply observing the thoughts that arise in our mind and then letting them go. Focusing on one thing and sitting perfectly still could increase our ability to concentrate over time. To all those who are trying to cultivate the ability to constantly concentrate on one thing at a time, to us I say, happiness is coming. Thank you.